So there's them marked out there. And then we just got to route out. Right, so that's all the marking out done. And that's just got me routed. 9 in total. Right guys, so we've set our lines out. Now we're going to put the router on. The router's been set, and then we'll get our lines drilled. Right guys, so as you can see, I've got the vents, both of them out. Trickle vents already put on, I just need to route out. Then I've got to do a repair on that top one. And then that one there, I've done the bottom ones. Right guys, this is why we use the router. So we get the nice line running all the way across. That's how trickle vents meant to go. A few little holes here and there, like what the builders do, you're just not going to do anything. You need adequate ventilation. There you go guys, nice trickle vents, which means nice ventilation. That one's a repair because the hinges ain't closing right. The house does retro trickle vents like that. That's how neat it should be. Perfect. Just like it come out the manufacturer. There you have it guys, one new set of hinges as well and the trickle vent installed. So now it opens and closes as it should do. And there you have it mate, opening and closing as it should do. With the new trickle vent.